Yeah, this is the first international conference for business, but actually the fifth for Quezon City Business Conference. This year we're doing it international. As you can see, we have international speakers, we have 3 secretaries, we have world-class speakers in different topics. Of course, this is a partnership of PCCI Quezon City and local government of Quezon City. Well, it's really to bring Quezon City to the world and to bring the world to Quezon City and to talk about topics that we have not talked much about, which is business with a purpose. As you can see, our conversation revolved around what resonates with the mayor's yung gusto ba ni mayor na equitable society, you know, yung sustainable innovation.
And of course, gusto namin i-showcase ang QC. We are inviting investors na dito sa QC, lahat available. And of course, we have a business permit division. Ang ganda ng process, automation.
Yung 5 years ng QC-IPC, kasi every business conference, we propose resolutions to the city government. So we're very happy kasi most of the resolutions that we submitted, each time we finish the conference, they implement natin. Isa dyan, before parang we seek for the support of the Quezon City government to help formalize our nano enterprises here in Quezon City. And after which, our city government was able to pass an ordinance that supports nano enterprises. So right now, registered na rin sila yung mga nano enterprises. Those whose capital assets are less than 50,000 pesos and those whose annual income is 250,000. So ngayon, meron na kaming ordinance and isa to sa mga naging produkto ng conference natin. And of course, one of the advocacy ng mga conference namin in the past is to provide training and support to micro enterprises here in Quezon City. So after each conference, magandang naging resulta is nagkaroon ng stronger partnership between PCCIQC and the economic offices of the city government, especially SDCBPO, PLD, and NEO. So we have joint projects together to provide training sessions that will upskill our members and also the community in Quezon City in terms of entrepreneurship.
What businesses includes big business groups that invested in business?
Marami po talagang big businesses in Quezon City. Nakita po namin sa datos ng business registration. Pero ang talagang driving force po ng businesses dito sa Quezon City are the micros and the nanos, the micros and the small businesses. Yun po yung large na nasa register sa amin. Pero ano po, lahat po ng mga types of businesses na po, meron pong programs and advocacy sa ating mayor dedicated para sa kanila. Whether it be nano, micro, small, medium, and large cap, yan, may mga incentives, may mga programs that empower them dito sa Quezon City to thrive even more at to grow their businesses while ensuring that they operate responsibly in Quezon City.
I'd like to say that you would notice na meron kaming 5 presidents of national business organizations. Philippine Franchise, Philippine Retailers, Alscon, Women Biz, of course, the national president of the Philippine Chamber, the Retailers Group. Kasi yung cross, like for example, franchising, from the Jollibee kind yan to the small part, nandun yan. So it really cuts across. And ito yung moment na mag-uusap sila in one panel and find out how do we further collaborate, no? Not only for the entrepreneurs but also for society in general.
Yes, and dahil dito sa conference na to, hindi lang taga Quezon City ang nagme-member sa PCCI Quezon City, pati yung ibang mga businesses located sa iba-ibang cities So nagjo-join sila sa amin kasi mas maganda. Nakakapag-network sila dito because this is the biggest local chambers and the most outstanding chamber in the Philippines.
As you may notice now, if you go around, ang exhibit namin from the Nano Enterprises of Quezon City, makita niyo yung maliliit na negosyo nandyan, to hotels, you know, to resorts. And anong sinisignify nito na yung BCCI QC and Quezon City really we have successfully bridged all sorts of needs and aspirations ng mga businesses, whether they're nano or whether they're large. And the 3 secretaries are here. Even though this one-day event, but 3 department secretaries relevant to businesses are joining us today. So talagang we're overwhelmed as well by the support. Pakita nyo, local chambers, president ng National Capital Region are also here to celebrate with us. We're very proud and very happy to have staged this.
Of course, pinagmamalaki namin yung mga speakers now from Singapore, Spain, Russia, Japan, and Australia, Vietnam.
So far, ano po yung share nila ng mga foreign visitors?
Oh, the best is a lecture, NUS kind of lecture from the director of the EMBA of the National University of Singapore. He lectured. He actually had a 1.5-hour lecture on doing business with a purpose, and it's very well appreciated by the audience.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.